These are that aluminium, molten aluminium filter based filters. You can say foundry foam filter. These are used. Earlier these are circular and whole assemblies of ceramics. Case is ceramics. Bottom we have one more filter and then top we have another ceramic filter. This is zirconia based filter. Another one zirconia based filter and silicon carbide foam filters. Both are for molten aluminium filtration and both have same kind of efficiency, but zirconia filter's life is better than silicon carbide foam filter. You are seeing the flames and slowly this flame will disappear and it will be infrared heating, uniform heating to the vessel and cooking, all that nutrients extraction in the vegetables is good for health. See, the flame disappeared in this one, first one. Now slowly all this will disappear. Because this is zirconia based filter, so flame disappearance takes time. In silicon carbide foam filter, it disappears very quickly, as we have seen.